Sairam, dear children. Let us start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Om. Om. Children, today we are going to solve questions related to time, distance, capacity, etc. So we will do a quick revision of units before going into today's lesson. Let us start our revision. Children, can you see the page? Can you see the page, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. First, we are going to recall some of the relationships that we have learned earlier in the last years, in class 2, class 3, etc. Let us recall some relationships. You know already this relationship. This is just for recalling. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. All of you know. Next relationship is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Next relationship is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Next relationship is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Children, I know you have already learned it, but after vacation and all, you might have forgotten. So before going to the lesson, I wanted just to recall it. I wanted you to recall it. That's all. Now we will do a little bit further. Let us make some conversions, because these conversions we are going to use in our problems. First one, 1 meter, 35 centimeter. Here you see two units are of length are used. One is meter, the other is centimeter. When two units are used together, how do you make the conversion? And now only we learned that we recalled that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 35 centimeter. You can add together, because similar units only you can add. We cannot add 1 meter with 35 centimeter and say 36 centimeter. Okay, so 1 meter is how many centimeter we have to think? 1 meter is 100 centimeter, and add this 35 centimeter along with that 100 centimeter. Together we will get 135 centimeter. Then coming to another example, second example, this is about liter and milliliter, and two units are combined together. 1 liter, 360 milliliter. You have already seen now 1 liter means 1000 milliliter, and this is 360 milliliter. Only similar units you can add. So 1000 milliliter, we replaced 1 liter by 1000 milliliter to make the unit similar, and 360 milliliter together 1360 milliliter. Then next question is 3 kilometer, 300 meter. Again, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Therefore, 2 kilometer is 2000 meter, and 3 kilometer is 3000 meter. And this is changed to meter. And now we can add this meter with this meter. 3000 meter plus 300 meter, 3300 meter. Got it? Now, one more example. 1 hour, 35 minutes. And you know, 1 hour is 60 minutes. Now you can replace this 1 hour by 60 minutes. Now you can add minutes and minutes together. 6 minutes plus 35 minutes is 95 minutes. I hope, children, you are remembering all your previous year's lessons. Then one more question. 2 hours plus 20 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 hours is 60 plus 60, 120 minutes. 120 minutes plus 20 minutes, 140 minutes. This was our revision. Now, we will use this knowledge in solving some problem. Shaila has a ribbon of length 1 meter 35 centimeter. What is the length of her ribbon? 1 meter 35 centimeter. She cuts 45 centimeter from it to make a flower. She wanted to make a flower, so she cut 45 centimeter from that 1 meter 35 centimeter ribbon. What length of ribbon is left? What is the heading you see once again? Problem solving sums. We have already learned that in problem solving sums, we have to write the statements, steps and all, and then we have to solve that problem. So we write to solution. So first step is length of the ribbon. It is given in the question. Her ribbon was of length 1 meter 35 centimeter. Now we are going to use the conversion which you learned now. 1 meter 35 centimeter. 2 units are together. So we have to convert this meter into centimeter. 1 meter is how many centimeters, children? 100 centimeter. So we will add this 100 centimeter with this 35 centimeter together. 100 plus 35, you got 135 centimeter. Then we know that she is making a flower, so she cut a small piece from that ribbon. She cuts what length she cut? 45 centimeter. She cut from this 135 centimeter ribbon. It was a long piece. From this long piece of ribbon, she cuts a small piece of length 45 centimeter. You know that much length will be reduced. So after cutting, the length of her ribbon got definitely reduced. So ribbon left. What length of ribbon is left? 135 centimeter minus 45 centimeter. You know minus, you know how to subtract. When we subtract 45 from 135 or 135 minus 45, when you write and subtract, you will get 90. And never forget to give the unit. What is the unit? When centimeter is subtracted from centimeter, answer also will be centimeter. So what length of ribbon is left? 90 centimeter is left. So last we will write a sentence like this. So 90 centimeter ribbon is left with Shaila. Did you understand, children? I hope you understood. Now we will try one more.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Now we will try one more question. Are you interested to try? Okay. Then Rani made 1 liter of lemon drink in a jug. Do you like lemon drink? In the summer season, you might have drank a lot of lemon drink. Okay. Yes, she served the drink in 3 glasses of 250 milliliter capacity. After making the lemon drink, she wanted to serve it to someone, her father, mother and brother or sister. Okay, so she took 3 glasses of same capacity, 250 ml capacity, and she poured the lemon juice, the lemon drink into 3 glasses. First glass 250 ml, second glass 250 ml, and third glass 250 ml. What quantity of lemon drink is left in the jug? What do you think? Something will be left or not? For you. Okay, let us see. Lemon drink made. How much lemon drink was made? 1 liter. Now only we learned 1 liter is how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. Drink filled in 3 glasses. First glass 250 ml. Second glass 250 ml. Third glass 250 ml. All these 3 together make 750 ml. Did you understand? 250 plus 250 is 500. 500 plus 250 is 750. If you write and add also, you will get 750 ml. And unit also, 750 ml. But she made 1000 ml. Now 750 is already served. So something is left in the jug. Let us find. Drink left in the jug. 1000 liter was made. 750 milliliter is 1000 milliliter was made, and 750 milliliter is already served. So 1000 minus 750 is 250. 250 milliliter is left in the jug. So 250 milliliter of lemon drink is left in the jug. Okay, children, did you understand? Okay, and did you understand the method? Yes, I hope you understood the method. Okay, now let us go back.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now let us go back from here and let us see some more questions from our let us try for some more questions from our Tata classes. That is Hi Vidya Vihar. I am typing the username and then password. Let us sign in and see. Oh, class search. Sorry, password is okay. There is some problem in school name. Let me type it again.
Ma'am, school's name.
Yes, yes. Yes, school name has come. Now username also came, and password is I'm going to put. Now it is opening. Actually, Tata class Edge was playing with us. Class 4, Division A, and our subject is mathematics and confirm. Which lesson, children, we are studying? A trip to Bhopal. Today we are going to do some questions from here. Let us see. It's a video come question. Okay. Yesterday's girl is here.
Hi friends! I am trying to solve some puzzles from this book. Would you like to join in and help me? For each correct answer, I will give you a star. So, are you ready?
Okay, children, we will try to get star from this girl. Okay, she is ready with 5 stars. You can see at the top. Let us try. Let us try our maximum.
A carpenter has a piece of wood that is 1 meter and 30 centimeters long. He cuts 50 centimeters of wood length from this piece. What is the length of the piece of wood remaining with him?
Okay, children, did you understand the question? This is a carpenter. You can see the picture of a carpenter. What is he doing? He is cutting a piece of wood. And the length of that piece of wood is 1 meter 30 centimeter. It is just like we learned now. See, double units are here. Meter is also there. Centimeter is also there. So we cannot add or subtract 2 units together. So what should we do? First of all, we have to think how many centimeter is there in 1 meter. Okay. So how many centimeter is there in 1 meter? 100 centimeter is there. So 100 centimeter plus this 30 centimeter makes how many centimeter? 100 and 100 plus 30. 130 centimeter. That means he is cutting a piece of wood of 130 centimeter. And he cuts 50 centimeter from that big piece. From 130 centimeter, he cut and removed 50 centimeter. It is just like the ribbon question. Okay. Then what do you have to do? We have to subtract 50 centimeter from 130 centimeter. 130 minus 50. How much will it make? Will it make 100? Definitely no. How much? 120? No. 1 meter? How is it possible? So what will be the correct answer? Let us try our luck with 80 centimeter and see whether we will see whether we will get the star or not. Let us submit.
You are right.
Wow.
The length of the piece of wood remaining with the carpenter is 80 centimeters.
Okay. We got 1 star. See, the star is at the top. Now let us try
A
one more.
patient has to take 5 milliliters of medicine thrice a day from a bottle until the medicine is over. The bottle contains 60 milliliters of medicine. If the patient takes medicine every day as advised, after how many days will the medicine get over?
Now students, I know that there may not be any child who has never taken a cough syrup or any medicine. Okay, and usually when we go to the hospital, doctor says 3 times medicine you have to take. 1 after the breakfast, 1 after the lunch, 1 after the dinner. So here the patient has to take 5 ml of medicine 3 times. Thrice means 3 times a day. Morning, afternoon and at night. And one day in the morning 5 ml, afternoon 5 ml and at the night also 5 ml. So total how many ml the patient takes in one day? 15 ml. But in the bottle there is 60 ml of medicine. So how many days will it take the medicine to finish? One day 15 ml, second day 15 plus 15, 30 ml, third day 30 plus 15, 45 ml, fourth day 45 plus 15, 60 ml. So how many days? 6 days, 4 days, 10 days, 12 days. Which is correct? What do you feel? Let us try with 4 days. Okay?
You are right. The medicine will get over in 4 days.
Children, today is a lucky day for us. We got 2 stars. Okay? Total there are 5 stars. Let us try for the 3rd star.
An architect started work on his drawings at 7:15 p.m. He worked continuously for 1 hour 45 minutes and completed his drawings. At what time did he finish his work?
Did you get any idea? This architect, he started his work at 7:15 p.m. 7:15 p.m. means 7:15 in the evening. Okay, the time when you come after play and all. Okay, 7:15 p.m. And he worked continuously. Continuously means without any stop. He did not go for relaxing in between the work. Continuously he was working for 1 hour, 45 minutes. That means from 7:15, if he worked for 1 hour continuously, the time will be 7:15 plus 1 hour, 8:15. Again 45 minutes. 8:15 plus 45 minutes. What will be the time? What will be the time? Will it be 7:50? No. 8? No. 9:15? Or 9? Which one we have to try? Let us try 9 and see.
You are right.
Ah, yes.
Architect finished his work at 9 p.m.
In 3rd question also we got 1 star. Now we have 3 stars with us. Now let us go for the 4th star.
1 liter of orange juice can fill 4 glasses equally to the brim. What is the capacity of each glass?
1 liter of orange juice can fill 4 glasses equally to the brim. What is the meaning of to the brim? Up to the top level. Okay, then what is the capacity of each glass? That means the size of the glass is same, and 1 liter of orange juice is there and 4 glasses are there. So in each glass, how many milliliter of orange juice will come? If suppose 200 ml, first glass 200, second 200, 400, then one more 600, then fourth glass 800. If you think like this, is this answer correct? No. Then let us try with this. First glass 250 ml, second glass also 250 ml. 250 plus 250 is 500. Third glass 250 ml, 750. One more 1000. Ah yes, we know 1000 ml is 1 liter. This is 1 liter. That means the second answer will be correct. What about third? We have to see the third answer and fourth answer also. This is 300. If 4 glasses are filled, we need more than 1 liter. So we can leave these two and let us click this and see our luck.
You are right. Each of the 4 glasses can hold 250 milliliters of orange juice.
Very good, children. Out of 5, we got 4 stars. Now 1 star is remaining, and we will try
On
to
a
get
road
that
trip,
also.
I traveled 250 kilometers over 3 days. On the first day, I traveled 125 kilometers. On the second day, I traveled 80 kilometers. What is the distance I traveled on the third day?
Did you understand, children, this question? Total distance traveled is 250 kilometer in 3 days. One day, the first day, 125 kilometer is covered. Second day, 80 kilometer is covered. And third day, how many kilometers are covered? We don't know. We have to find out. So let us add the first day's distance with the second day's distance. 125 plus 80. When you add 125 and 80, when you write and add, you will get 205 kilometer. 205 kilometer. But they have to go 250 kilometers, some more kilometers they have to travel in the third day. So how many kilometers they have to travel in the third day? It's a short distance, 250 kilometer minus the distance covered. It is 205 kilometer. When you subtract, what will you get? 250 minus 205, will you get 50? Will you get 35? No, 55 is too much. So let us try for this 45 kilometer. Write and subtract and see. 250 minus 205. Let us try with 45.
You are right.
Yes.
I traveled 45 kilometers on the third day.
Okay. Yes. Today is a very lucky day for us, children. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. That means we have understood today's lesson very, very nicely. Okay. So with this, we are going to stop today's class. Okay. So what should we all do? We have to join our hands and say Shanti Path. Let us start. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bye, children. We will meet tomorrow.